Hello everyone, my name is NONINORDIANA, anak perempuan Masol. My metric number #20A1350, and today I would like to present about cloud computing. So, uh, today I will brief about definition of cloud computing. Number two, the type of cloud computing, which is a SaaS, PaaS, and IS. Number three is benefit of cloud computing, which I will explain from businesses and community. Number four is strategic cloud computing. So, what is definition of cloud computing? A cloud computing is a model for enabling convenience on-demand network access to a shared pool of configurable hosts, such as, for example, like a network, serve, storage, application, and service. So that can be rapidly provisioned and released with minimal management effort or service provider interactions. Next, I will explain about type of service of cloud computing. First one is SaaS. SaaS is the software as a service. It's a way of delivering application over the internet as a service instead of installing and maintaining software. You safely access it via the internet, freeing yourself from complex software and hardware management. Such applications are sometimes called web-based software, on-demand software, or hosted software. Whatever SaaS application run on a SaaS provider server, the provider manages access to the application, including security, availability, and performance. Next type of service cloud computing is a PaaS. PaaS is a platform as a service. It's a cloud computing model where a third party provider deliver hardware and software tool to the user over the internet. Usually, these tools are needed for application development. A PaaS provider hosts the hardware and software on its own infrastructure. As a result, PaaS free developer from having to install in the house hardware and software to develop or run a new application. And the last type of service cloud computing is IS. IS stands for the infrastructure as a service. The definition of infrastructure as a service means only the infrastructure is given to you. Everything else is something that you put in the way you want it and then you use it. IS provide computing architecture and infrastructure apart from that data storage, virtualization serve, and networking. Next, I will explain about benefit cloud computing to the businesses. Firstly, in businesses, cloud computing can reduce IT infrastructure investment and administrative costs for IT worker, which is cloud computing eliminates the requirement for large capital expenditure by removing the need for expensive hardware, which is serve and network infrastructure and software licensing. They may begin their computer resource and scale up only when their demand expands. Next benefit is cloud computing can possibilities for utilizing current ICT to facilitate the administration of corporate operations. Small firms can afford to acquire the newest version of software or pay licensing fees, but cloud computing allows them to have up-to-date software. Third benefit for businesses, cloud computing can make business scalability. Mission standpoint, cloud technology enabling firms to grow not just their computer capacity but also their businesses process and operations. Lastly, Cloud computing can make adjustment and adaptation to changing market conditions. Today, the current economic climate and environment necessitate the capacity to adapt fast and respond to changing customer situation and want. Companies that use cloud computing can swiftly change their operation, goods and service to changing market conditions, making them more competitive. Next, I will explain a benefit cloud computing to the community. Firstly, cloud computing may be a cost saving and a hedge competitive of IT service. It offers to public and private organizations as well as a potential professionals for the new service, but cloud technology may also boost additional benefit for end user. Second is social media. Social media application like LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and a slew of other social applications uh, rely on the cloud in some form. The photo we share on social media site like Facebook and Instagram are saved in the cloud. Also, we use to watch our favorite show on television or listen show on the radio before cloud computing come around. From this statement, cloud computing can change the entertainment sector. So, cloud-based apps include Netflix, Amazon Prime, Spotify, Watcho, and Disney Hotstar, to name a few. The material is delivered to us via the cloud. We may use the application to view movies, programs, and listen to music from any place there is an internet connection. Then benefit cloud computing to the community also is shopping. The cloud has also transformed the way we shop from Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, and a slew of another application have made purchasing a breeze. Cloud computing give benefit to community through the healthcare. Some doctor office has set up a best patient portal where patients may access crucial health information. Hospital and healthcare service provide keep digital patient record on the cloud. Um, Next, cloud computing also uh, give a benefit to university around the country are also providing the online course. Information, classes, and learning material are all kept on the cloud. Students may now access request data at any time and from anywhere. Users may also utilize network based communication tools, including email, messaging, and calling applications like Gmail, WhatsApp, Google Duo, and Skype, which are all built on the cloud infrastructure. Next, I will explain about the cloud computing strategy. Okay, first, step one is organization design cloud strategy for speed and business value. Step two, prioritize primary provide in the multi-cloud architecture. Step three, build a resilience into application architecture. Step four, enable hybrid architecture with a distributed cloud. Step five, optimize for cloud native with a container and serverless. Step six is grow a public cloud skill internally to bridge the talent gaps. That's all for me. Thank you for watching. Enjoy my video, guys.